Chair.
I barely
Okay.
know anything about it.
That's it. Oh, okay. Well, we'll sit. Come, Lily and James. Gryffindor Common Room, here we are.
Welcome to the Gryffindor Common Room. How are you today? I'm Lee Jordan. Let's play some games. Now, can you tell me what Gryffindor is known for? For 50 Gryffindor points and a Laffy Taffy.
Bravery.
Bravery!
Well done, fellow Gryffindor. Well done, James!
Yes, 50 Gryffindor points to you. Now,
I
next-
love games. No.
Now, we love Gryffindor victory. Can you name the 4 balls in the Quidditch game?
Oh, that's a position. Harry Potter was a snitch. Your son was a seeker.
So was James.
Oh, that's right, James. I'm sorry, James. What were the balls?
You got the
Snitch, bludger, and... But there's how many bludgers?
2.
And it rhymes with waffle.
Waffle.
There you go. Thank you, Lily.
Oh!
All right.
Next question. What is the name of the boy that lives?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter! That's an easy one.
Of course. And what about the chess set? Was playing wizard chess, and who won the chess game for Gryffindor?
Ron.
Ron.
Ron Weasley!
When they tried to get, what were they getting? What were they? What was
the
cup.
The stone. No, it wasn't.
No.
Wasn't it the stone?
They were trying to get the stone from under the. Yeah, was it?
What was that stone?
Yeah, but they
They
had
had,
to get through
they had to get through a potions riddle that Hermione helped. Then they had to get through the chess game. Oh, the flying keys. Harry hopped on the broom and grabbed the key because he had seen one with that. But when he got there, it was already taken by
Oh, I'm getting my movie.
Quirrell.
Mixed
Right?
up.
Professor Quirrell.
Professor Quirrell had already opened,
Yeah.
and then
Oh, it was
Harry-
a cup, wasn't it?
Harry was there, and he saw the Mirror of Erised again, and when he had he saw you in the mirror. He had it in his pocket, remember?
Right.
And it was like, well, I think the stone was lost, but it was like Dumbledore had made it so that only somebody who wanted to use it to like, or
For good.
to,
who didn't
for
want to
good.
use it.
Yeah, who didn't want to use it. Just keep it.
This side of the pond, it was a sorcerer's stone. In England, it was a philosopher's stone.
So anyway, so
Now, last question for 100 Gryffindor points.
gazillion, 100 gazillion
100 gazillion
Gryffindor
Gryffindor
points.
What is the name of the person that shall not be named? Who shall
Voldemort.
not be named? Voldemort!
Oh, I have to go brush
Wait,
my
are we
teeth.
allowed to say it?
All right.
Now,
Absolutely.
Professor Sprout is right next door, and she should be ready for you.
All right.
Thank you for
so
joining
much,
us in the
lady.
Gryffindor
Thank
Common
you.
Room. Happy Halloween.